In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix the silent button not working on your iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, you might be trying to use your silent button on your iPhone and it might not be working. And this could be for various reasons. For example, in the recent iPhones, the silent mode button actually changed to an action button, which you can customize. So right now, mine is, as you can see, a silent button. So I can go from silent to ring if I wanted to. I'm going to keep it on silent. But if yours isn't that, this is what you want to do. You want to go over to your settings application. From here, you're going to see a lot of different options, but you want to scroll down until you find action button, which is right under accessibility. So once you click that, as you can see, mine is on silent mode, which says switch between silent and ring for calls and alerts. You can have it as your camera, voice memo, recognize music, magnifier, controls. You can really set it to anything you want. And even if you just never want to use it, you can have it as no action as well. So you want to make sure that yours is in silent mode. And if it's not, then you got to put it as that. And then the next thing you want to do is try and, make it work again. And if it's still not working, then it might actually just be an issue with your physical device. Like your button just might not be working and it needs fixing. So then it's going to be something to do with the hardware and something physical and not something that's internal, like in the software. So if that's happening and your button's not working, just scroll down again until you find sounds and haptics. And as you can see, I can switch on silent mode on and off from here. It says iPhone will not play ringtones, alerts, and system sounds, and iPhone will still play alarms, timers, music, and audio from videos.